it is Mona here at Craft Klatch, and today is Friday. That means it's another Coaster Friday. Today we're going to be making some resin and foil coasters. We're going to be adding aluminum foil to our coasters. We're going to need our coaster mold and obviously aluminum foil. Now I've tried this a couple different ways, and the easiest way that I've found is if I'm using my circle cutter, if I cut the foil while it's flat before I crinkle it, because then the blade doesn't seem to catch on the foil so much and rip it. So I have this set to just over 4 inches, so that's larger than the cavity of the coaster mold. When you get your piece cut out, all you want to do is crinkle it together and then open it up again. You don't want to get it all smoothed out, because then you're going to lose the texture. And the whole point of this coaster is to get a little texture in there. And you want it to be just a little bit smaller than the cavity of your coaster mold, because aluminum foil won't adhere to resin forever. So we want to make sure it's completely embedded in there, so there's no chance of anything ever coming apart. We're going to make 3 versions of this coaster just to kind of see how different colorants react. And I have a bright pink, and this is not specifically a transparent color. I have a transparent green, and then I have a blue pigment powder. So I'll have links to all of these down in the description below. And I have mixed 6 ounces of resin, so that's 2 ounces each. Now I'm going to start adding the colors. So I'm starting with the blue, which is really beautiful. Then I'll add the pink, the bright pink. And then I will do the green, the transparent green. We'll start with the blue. We'll add some in here. I may have gone a little too bold with the blue, but we'll see. Popping the bubbles while it spreads out. Now I'm going to take my foil, drop it in here, use my stir stick to press it down because I don't want any bubbles underneath if I can help it. Now I will add a little bit more. Now I'll take my lighter, pop the bubbles. Now we'll move on to the pink. Pop the bubbles. And the foil, press it down. It is a pretty pink. Make sure you get those edges down. Okay, then I'll add the rest. That one's pretty. And again, I would pop the bubbles. And now I have the transparent green, which I will add. And I'll pop the bubbles. Then I'll add the foil, press it down, and then add the rest. And now we're just going to let them cure for a minimum of 12 hours, and then we'll come back and take them out. The coasters have cured, so we're going to pop them right out of the mold. So let's start with the blue. This was the Pearl X powders, and this is my least favorite because it looks more cloudy and you don't really get the dimensional feel. It's still okay, but it doesn't have the look of the other ones. Here's the back, so we're going to put that one aside. These two are really the stars of the show. Look how you get that depth. This was a transparent and this was not the transparent, but they're almost equally as clear, and you get a really beautiful effect. They almost look like they glow with the foil inside, and I have the shiny side up when I put it in. And here are the backs, which look okay too. Look how nice they look on a black background. They really stand out. You can certainly customize these for your decor. And again, I'll have the links to the pigments down in the description below. And be sure to let me know what you think of them down in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you like the coasters as much as I do. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a thing. And I will see you next time. Remember, life is too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye, guys.